Hi, welcome back to LE DIY channel. Today we are going to learn how to decorate your room with strip lights. Strip light is great for decorating your home. Its simple and superb design can embellish the color of the home stereo space and enhance the atmosphere. Let the light color bring a beautiful feeling to your life. How to install a strip light. Most strip lights come with adhesive tape. Prepare a dry rag, wipe the surface you want to install. Unroll the strip light, peel the adhesive tape and stick it onto the surface. Ensure that it is firmly adhered and has no air bubbles. After installation, if the strip light is too long, please cut off the excess at the cuttable mark. Link the controller to the light strip and connect the adapter. Finally, connect the adapter to the mains and turn the light on. Now you can feel free to change and choose the light color atmosphere you want. If you use a remote control, don't forget to unplug the battery insulation sheet before use. For moist environments like bathrooms, waterproof strip lights are recommended. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to follow, like and share to get more home DIY knowledge and save thousands of dollars.